First we do this multiplication. 6 over 6 times 6. We can easily cancel this 6 and this 6. So here we have just 6. And 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. Okay, 6 divided by 6 over 6. 6 over 6 is just 1. So 6 divided by 1, which equals 6. So 6 times 6, which gives us 36. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 36.